I'm Jordan Lambeth, Lambeth Asphalt. We're out here on site today with the paving crew, just kind of seeing what they're up to, giving you guys a glimpse of what we do on a daily basis. We're on the site here in Greensboro right now. We're in here replacing a parking lot that was probably paved sometime in the 80s. So it's 40 years old. They had gotten their life out of it. We had holes in the parking lot that had started to form. Been potholed over the years by different companies, and it just got to the point it wouldn't hold up any longer. So you can also see the pavers sitting there by a drain that we're having to work around. This lot has tons of undulations in it. It's not just a steady flow parking lot with easy drainage. We're having to create swales, adjust swales that were put in years ago just to make sure that we move that water the way that we're supposed to. So the paving crew is getting their work out to get the season started. We didn't start with anything easy. We chose the one that was going to give us a fit. Figure we get it knocked out first. All right, so we started in 2019. My wife was pregnant with our second child, and I had this crazy thought that I was going to make some extra money by working on Fridays and Saturdays, because I worked for a local municipality at the time. We only worked 4 10s there. I put a Facebook post up just kind of on a whim, saying that we were going to do some asphalt work, and it has blown up into what it is today. We've got 12 employees at the moment, probably be hiring more sooner than later. We started out just doing small jobs, repair work, little tiny parking lots with a few people. There were a lot of days we paved with 3 people. We had myself and someone on the paver. We had one person for the roller, but we would really hope and pray to find somebody that could come out and rig for us and just help us on the ground. But there's a lot of days that didn't happen. We've been blessed to have great employees help us through the hard times. They're worth their weight in gold to us by being here and helping us grow this company to what it is now.